Here's a manual to my accelerator's new engine. I just wrote down a couple of things. Rotary carb, 2-piece head, 5-port sleeve, oil grooves in the piston, knife edge connecting rod. That's about it. I'm gonna go around for specifications. It's a PT18 R06A. It normally had a rotostar back plate. That's what it says on this box. Blah 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 blah. 18 Pro exhaust engine with rotor starter SG shaft SH. This one is a standard shaft. It's an OS crank, but it has that. It's I don't know. Traxxas makes this short shaft. I don't know why some people call it a short shaft, but it is pretty short. It's probably about that long. It comes off the engine block. It's about, say, an inch long. I got this ruler. It's about an inch long when it comes off a crank. Normal one is about 1.5 inches. It's got the dual needle setup. No spring in there. That's a spring right there. It compresses it. Because the what's that picture? There's something that's hard to explain, but there's a slit in that. It's about that deep, and it graduates or whatever. There's a grate on it. It kind of goes like that, and that's how you set your idle. You can make it so that it's more closed or more open for the idle, and that just press against it to keep it from doing something you don't want it to do. But it is a rear exhaust engine, so you know it's got that weird thing. I don't know what it is. It's TE032. Let's see if we can find it in this thing. Well, they're all TEs, but no. Yeah, you know, whatever. Oh no. There's, yeah, Chinese writing. About 3 cc's. .90mm bore, 14.70mm stroke, give or take. Wait, I think someone said give or take 5/100ths or something. Makes 3,400 RPMs and 1.7 horsepower, and it really worked great. Not good bottom end. Has good bottom end, but it's not as good. Really fuel efficient. Really great. Bolts right in, and it'll run for you really well on 20% anything. I run Trinity because it's awesome, but yeah, really works great.